Alright, we make the homemade food now. So we make our own lunch. We make it hot there. We freeze them, that is why it look like this. And we've got some chicken here. First I'm gonna put this maybe. Oh, just chicken spread. Or chicken thighs. Fresh baked. Put some any of the sauce you like. Bit of this. Some get some tomato maybe. So we have this cheese and I have this remove the seeds of course because they're acidic, but this tomato from our garden, very nice. It's not so sour, so therefore they are low acidity. The Oxheart tomato, the one that really big at the harvest, oh, they're really super mild as well. So I will grow more of the tomato from now on, and that one, but they're super low in acidity, which is good. I like them. So put more there. Hey, now Bob's your uncle. I'm gonna close this. Itadakimasu soon. Yummy. So let's wait for a bit. And we put some olive oil. And we let them sit too. Now that I bread are complete. So yeah, but I'm gonna put in a onion, but I have to put onion here so I can put them in the bread. Okay, see you soon. Now it's finished. A few minutes later. Nice. Ooh. Let's eat this and put this onions. Ooh, it's so hot in here. Make sure to put a bit. Nice. Here. Bon appetit! Sandwich. We're gonna cut them in half. First, we have put some onions. Yum. It adds flavor to it.